And the active weather continues now, not on top of Oklahoma City, but this morning at around 10 a.m. their time, they had very heavy rainfall, but the severe weather threat was confined to the North Texas area near Dallas and points east. And now this frontal boundary is moving through Memphis, causing some problems. Nashville's next, and then the other wave is right behind it. So a volatile area nonetheless. For us, about the same as yesterday. We're at 92, winds are northwest at around 13 miles per hour. We got rid of the clouds, kind of gave us a nice sunset last night. And tonight we're pretty much cloud-free, and we'll probably stay that way. That wasn't much of a front that came through. It certainly didn't cool us off anything, right? Not at all. As a matter of fact, we're a degree warmer than yesterday for a high. So 85 at Lake Isabella as we speak. Still in the 90s everywhere, but we'll start to cool off starting tonight and overnight. And our wind speed's not that strong, 15 to 21 miles per hour, but this area and the desert region will really start to pick up tonight into tomorrow. We're only down 1 from yesterday at this time, okay, as of 5 o'clock, but Redding's down 20. So that means that the cool air here will eventually come this way, and we will soon get to brag about that, being 20 degrees cooler perhaps tomorrow. 94 was the high, 85 is the average. We're going to go below 85 for the average for probably 3 or 4 days. So enjoy that if you like that kind of weather. Cooler, better air quality. I think we'll all go for that this time of year. All right, highs today, 79 in Tehachapi, another warm one, 88 in Paso Robles. Not as hot along the coast as it was, but hotter inland. Palm Springs got to 102. San Diego was 71, so another nice day there. So this is the low we're paying attention to. It's got a lot of rainfall and some thunderstorms in the Portland area today. Temperatures there now are around 50, so you know cool air is coming on down. The rain and snow in the forecast, yeah, for the Cascades and the northern tip of the state, it all confines itself to that region tonight and all the way through Thursday. So it's not a rain threat for us. However, it is going to be windy. Blowing dust could be a problem on the west side of the valley. And in the desert regions, watch the wind pattern here, all northwesterly. The longer the arrows get, the windier it gets, and big westerly winds will be blowing tomorrow afternoon and evening all the way through the mountains and desert. So please drive carefully as you head east. Both hands on the wheel, and over the grapevine, they'll probably have some high wind advisories for you as well if you're traveling to Los Angeles. 64 in San Francisco tomorrow, 77 Fresno. You can see the 10 to 20 degree drop here. Yosemite will be at around 67, but we're going to stay clear. Maybe a few high clouds, but that's it. 77 Santa Barbara, low 60s from Morro Bay to Pismo Beach, and downtown Los Angeles around 72, 75 at Disneyland, upper 60s for San Diego, and Palm Springs will cool off into the 90s. So we've got mid to upper 70s on tap for tomorrow. What a difference. You're going to feel it. Overnight lows tonight, low to mid 50s. Let's go to the mountains and talk about cooler weather there too, because it's going to impact all of us. 75 Lake Isabella, 60s for Frazier Park and for Tehachapi. Desert regions getting out of the 90s. Some places will be close though, mainly in the mid 80s. So enjoy that. The overnight low tonight, 58, clear skies, northwest winds continuing at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow's high, I know you'll feel it when you believe it, 74, sunny, cooler, and windy tomorrow. The 7-day forecast keeps us in the 70s to 80 degrees. How about that stuff? Isn't that just gorgeous? The Kern River Valley, we've got to show you this too. It'll be cooler, highs in the 70s for 5 days in a row. I've got to look that up in the history books. I wonder when the last time we had nothing but 70s for highs for a 5-day stretch.
It's not exactly pool weather, but we're not complaining. It beats the alternative of 105. So.
Anything's better than that, you're right.
Thanks, Colin.
Okay.
Our